Sultan bin Said Timur Al Said. Foreign Relation, United Kingdom, West Pakistan, Republic of India, United States of America. Ayan po si Sultan bin Said Timur Al Said. Ito po yung upuan ng ating throne chair of the late Sultan Qaboos bin Said, wood and velvet. Ayan po. Ayan yung tatay ni Sultan Qaboos. Siya yung tatay. Tatay o lolo. Or kanununuan. Yes. Ayan no, yung selyo. Ang cute no, yung selyo. Seal Matrix of Sultan Said bin Timur Al Said. Yan. Yung kanyang. And yung kanyang relo. Wow. Accession to the throne of Sultan bin Said Timur Al Said. Ay, ano to eh? The foundation stone of the hospital, which was erected by public subscription, was laid on November 29th, 1909 by His Majesty Said Faisal bin Turni, Sultan of Muscat and Oman. Yan. Pala. The House of Al-Busir timeline. Ito yung mga penny nila noong unang panahon. (1970 to 1390). Ito yung currency. Ayan. Ito yung currency ngayon. Yes. Teka lang, dito tayo magsimula. Ayan yung mga stamp o yung mga stamp nga. Stamp. Tapos ito yung mga currency. Yung nasa taas, ayan ito yung mga latest currency ngayon, yung mga bago kasi bago na yung namumuno ng bansang Oman. So ayan na po yung bagong currency. Ayan. Yung mga estampa. Ito yung higaan. Yan, ayan yan eh. Higaan yan eh. Portrait of Ali Muhammad Baig. Ay, may anahaw din sila. Oh. Anahaw yan eh, anahaw. O, may salamin kami ng ganyan sa bahay. Ano yung 5:30 na?